G'day guys, I'm Quackerjack and thanks for joining along for another video. So I'm super excited to bring you another moto vlog today. The borders have just opened back up here so we can cross from Queensland into New South Wales. And today's plan is to head down to a place called Fingal Head. There's a lighthouse down there and a really cool rock formation that I want to show you guys. So Dad's coming along too. He's going to be following me along with his Harley Davidson and we're going to head down there. So let's go. Oh, by the way, so just for everyone watching, what have you done to your bike since they've last seen you?
We got a stage 1 put on it.
Yep.
Which incorporated new pipes and a big breather.
This one here, yeah, it's
yeah,
pretty chunky.
and a tune. She's sucking more air in now and more fuel economy. Well, more fuel economy.
Yep.
Economic. But, yeah, it's running a lot better now. It's not popping as nowhere near as bad as it was before. It was starving for air prior to getting the stage 1 done. So quite happy with it.
You can tell the difference.
Oh yeah.
For anyone wondering as well, we do lock our helmets. Under the seat there are these clips. And obviously if thieves wanted to get them they could, but
I'd have to cut the strap.
bit of a deterrent. Alright, there we go. Let's go to the lighthouse. Gobble, 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 gobble. Sorry?
Oh, there's an island out further, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cook Island.
And I think
We saw penguins the last time we were here.
yeah, I saw dolphins a few times. So down that way is Dreamtime Beach. Don't want to interrupt this guy's workout. Gets hot with all this gear on.
It'd be easy coming back.
Yeah. The cottage was completed in 1879. William Arnold, the first lighthouse keeper. His wife Henrietta and 11 children. Fucking got it on.
No TV.
Nothing
TV
else to
in those
do.
days.
The cottage was demolished in 1923 when the light was converted to automatic. There you go. Have a quick look at the lighthouse first. Now the lighthouse is cool, but what I really want to show you is down here. currently under a revegetarian It's currently under a revegetation process to help restore it. So we're gonna stay on the paths, but check this out. So all along this bit here, this stretch of water is called the Giant's Causeway. And that's Cook Island over there. And apparently it's called Cook Island because Captain Cook saw it when they were sailing down the coast. There, he spotted it.
Oh, I heard that the ship's Cook got lost over there. That's why they call it the Cook Island. Formation rock.
Fuck, you wouldn't want to fall down there, eh? Alright, let's get up the drone so you can have a proper look. So this spot along here, known as Fingal Head, was actually formed by the ancient Tweed volcano, which is now extinct. But you can tell because the rocks along here are really coarse, and that's because it used to be lava. So it's extinct now. You can actually climb the remainder of it, which is known as Mount Warning. But yeah, that's why we get this really red soil and really cool rock formations. So, oh, look at the dolphins. You see them? Yeah. Alright guys, there you have it. Thanks for joining along with that quick little moto vlog. Hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. Till next time, see ya.
Yeah.